Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm unboxing the universal steering wheel lock from Kraser, which is a German company. This steering wheel lock will actually lock your steering wheel and to also provide a high visibility from the outside to deter any thieves to try to steal your car, for kind of like a visual deterrent as well. But also it's a strong one. Here is the guideline in different languages, and then this is the actual lock. As you can see, it's in yellow and black. Here is where you can insert the keys. So it also comes with two pads for different thicknesses to fit different steering wheel thicknesses or sizes. So just like put it like this and then put it on your steering wheel. And there are two keys that come with it. And as you can see, we can try to actually unlock it with one of the keys. You can see it unlocks like this. And then if you remove one of the keys, then it locks when you put it in position. So insert it, unlock it, it rotates, and then you can remove the keys, and then once in direction, it will just lock in its own position. So let's try this on the car wheel. All right, so here we are inside the car, and I'm trying to fix the camera with my face and use my two hands to lock the wheel. So sorry about that. All right, so I have placed the lock on the steering wheel, and once I remove the key from it, it will just lock it in place. Make sure that it's locked, it doesn't move, it doesn't unlock. And I did not add any pads. Looks like it works like this without adding any pads. It's slightly loose, but it's fine, it does the job. And as you can see, now it's locking the wheel, and when I of course insert back the key, it will just unlock, loosen up and rotate, and then I can remove it from the steering wheel. If I remove the key and then rotate it, it will then lock in place again to lock the steering wheel from rotating, from moving. So that's basically it. Let me know if you like this product, if you have any questions about it in the comments below, and see you in the next videos.